Continue our quest to complete our National Parks passport book. We travel to George Rogers Clark's Memorial in Vincennes, Indiana.
Can do that for you.
Now, was this fort at this location then?
It is. So the fort that you see there, that diagram or the model there, that is a model of what Fort Sackville would have looked like. Fort Sackville would have sat right where the memorial is. So our memorial, that big round building right there, sits roughly right along the back wall of the fort.
So there's nothing left of the
Winter time, of course, they're gonna raid pull the wood and stuff like that down. So there's really no remnants of Fort Sackville. Shortly after the war ends and this fort falls into disrepair, there is a second fort built on top of the exact same site. It's one of the Fort Knoxes that are built in this area. There's 3 Fort Knoxes built here at the time. Yeah, and so they built Fort Knox right on top of it. Fort Knox also falls into disrepair very quickly. There's never much of a standing military force here. And the townspeople do not like having the military this close to the town. There's lots of great accounts of them complaining about the soldiers in this area, those road browsers who were coming into town, causing trouble and stuff like that. So they eventually moved Fort Knox further outside of town. And Fort Knox, the original one that's built here, falls into disrepair as well. So even if there were remnants of a fort somewhere here on the grounds, chances are, through archaeological digs, it would not be a Fort Sackville, it would be a Fort Knox. So it was a very long story for a simple question you asked. Sorry about that. Just so you guys know, we do offer a 30-minute film.
the other day and
Oh, okay. All right. Well, if you haven't seen inside the memorial, it is open right now. So you wanted to hop up there, see it real quick before you hit the road again.
what's inside of it?
So inside the memorial, there are 7 murals depicting Clark and his.
Walking all the way up there.
I personally think it is. It's quite a sight to behold.
Okay.
I have pictures here if you'd like to see it.
Looks like it was built in 1933. Man, we can't build stuff like this today in such a short amount of time. Wow. Awesome.